going to make an origami house. So for that, take a square shaped paper. Now fold the paper in half to make a crease. Open the side and fold the paper on the other side to make another crease. Now open the paper and fold the paper on one side to meet this center line. Turn over the paper and then fold in this way to meet this center line. Do the same on the other side also. Now turn the page a little and then open the corners and flatten it. Do the same on the other side. Now close this in this way. Fold it in this way to meet the first crease. Now turn over the paper and then draw a door and a window. Complete the house. So this is the origami house.